Escort daw siya.
At lang sa kwarto na gaman.
So this is our hotel for the day. For 2 days here in Batumi. Hello, oh my God. So I will show you guys the view. So this is the first room. Oh my God, it's so nice to set up. Very clean, very neat. Yan. Ay, nako. Sana ano tayo ngayon? Maka-afam. Char! So this is the washroom. See? Oh my God! See? The setup. It's so nice. Dili ko tambok. See? Very clean. Oh my God, I love it, guys. Highly recommended. So this is the kitchen. So you can cook here because this is same as hotel apartment. May microwave sila. Samsung char. So dito tayo sa sala. Yung natin is super daming luggage.